Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you today?
Yes, I'm doing good, but feeling little bit under the weather. But yeah, all okay. I can manage.
Yeah, okay. Is your name Tanuja? Can I call you that?
Yes.
Okay, great. I'm Adya. Okay.
Okay.
So, anything specific you want to talk about today, or you just want to talk about how you're feeling, or you want to introduce yourself, or you want me to introduce myself?
I did not think any topic or something because I just came from my
Yeah,
office work.
obviously. I mean, that's all right. You don't really have to think of any topic either. So, do you want to start with like a little introduction maybe of ourselves? Should
Yeah,
I
yeah,
go
sure.
first?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so I'm Adya. I'm 18. I'm currently doing my bachelor's in business analytics. I'm in Bangalore, studying at Christo Jayanti University, and I recently got this job at Clapingo. It's like this is my first day actually. So yeah, it's been a pretty long day. I did have an exam and all, but it's all over, good and all. Yeah, I mean, I'm a bit feeling a bit under the weather as well. It's okay. I'll get over it by like tomorrow. I'll have a rest day, so it's all good. So if you can continue from there.
Yeah, nice to know about you. So, my name is Tanuja and I'm from
Mhm.
Bhopal. And by profession, I'm a software engineer in one of the IT company. And along with that, I run a YouTube channel in my free time where I post English conversational videos and sometimes blog. And apart from this, my interest, I love painting, dancing, and traveling. Yeah,
Oh, same.
that's about.
I love painting as well. I'm a huge, I love drawing and like sketching and all that, be it traditionally or digitally, whatever it may be. I'm really into that as well.
Oh, that's
So yeah.
great. I,
Yeah.
I don't get enough time to do it, but yeah,
Yeah.
personally, I love it. When I get free time, so I love doing these things.
Yeah, it's very refreshing. I mean, I get back from college and then I mean in college as well, I'm a part of this fine arts club, but it's
Hmm.
like mostly like festing and events related. So it's not really like individual work. It's mostly like group props and all that making. So it's not really my forte. It's not really, what I enjoy doing. It's mostly like traditional art or might be commercial art because I did have that in like past couple of years. But other than that, it's fine. It's nice. Like I want to find time doing it, but it's not really possible at this moment. Maybe I will.
Yeah,
Maybe I will find some time like during Christmas. I'll bring my stylus out and I'll make something. Yeah, that's
yeah, I
cool.
think we should do. It's
Yeah,
really
definitely.
refreshing sometimes. Yeah, even
Yeah.
I do on my weekends when I get free time.
Hmm. So
So
do you have
living
any? Continue.
you are living in Bangalore?
Yeah, I am. I'm not originally from Bangalore. I
Mhm.
am from West Bengal. And then like because of my bachelor's, I moved here like a couple of months ago. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. So, do you have any, say, your plans for Christmas, New Year's? It's
Yes,
dawning on
I'm.
us.
Yes, so like in corporate sector, most of the time in the year end we get so many holidays, and also we can take it to for vacation or something. So I'm just planning to go somewhere, but before that I'm just insisting my friends so that they are ready to go with me, and yeah,
Exactly. A
just we are
friend's
in the
trips
planning
is
mode
like
right now.
if like four people are ready, the last one is not. And then if even if they are, it just doesn't make sense at the end. There's so many factors that go into it. I really want to go on like a girls' trip as well. I really, really want to. We'll see. I don't know. I think I'll have to go back home during the Christmas holidays. I'm not will have to. I mean, I have friends back in Kolkata as well, but
Mhm.
yeah, I think I'll miss the people here as well. It's been only a couple of months, but I'm pretty close to these people. So yeah, that's
Okay, so
basically it.
so what things like it's been for months, I would say, like for a couple
Yeah,
of months only, but
yeah.
still, if you want to share something that you liked about Bangalore.
Oh yeah, definitely. I have a list of things actually. I have some things that I really like about Bangalore and some things that I loathe about Bangalore. So I'll start off on a positive note. The lo things that I love, which is really commonly said, and it is like so overused, but definitely weather. It's like top tier. The weather is so nice, especially someone who's from Kolkata. The humidity and the precipitation rate there, it's awful. the weather here, it is really comparatively much more better, much more livable at least. And then there's also this. Okay, so this is not stigmatizing like a particular group, but like the amount of people is less and the number of students is really more. So you look left, you look right, it's like full of students. So you need any help, there's like people right away. I mean, it is kind of locationally, well, I am advantaged in that way because I'm not really li living in the city area. I'm like living on outskirtish area of Bangalore. So it's like pretty quiet and pretty, low key. But that's overall, and I really like some of the South Indian dishes out here. It's really, really good. So I really love having the food and all. I also people they're just so educated. They're so nice. It's really nice. And the list of things that I hate about, not hate, but like, is a bit unconventional. So
Mhm.
I think the traffic like plays a huge part. The traffic is awful in Bangalore, as you already know, I think. And the sudden rains. I mean, the weather is amazing, but the rains here have been like awful. I put clothes out like 1 minute, I come down, it's like heavily raining like the second day. Might be the season or might be like it's pretty awkward. So like even in summertime or in wintertime, when I came here in Bangalore, it was summer. So very like loud sun outside, and then it just starts raining all of a sudden. My clothes are all wet. So like it's pretty unconventional, but I don't think it's like a Bangalore special thing. I think it's just the weather's pretty roughed up right now. But other than that, I'd say the language barriers. I mean, most people here speak Kannada or Malayalam. A lot of Malu people here. So even if I am, communicating via English, I'm not really being able to connect with them on that level that I would if I did know these languages. No. So I think that is like a big part. But other than that, it's pretty peaceful. People are nice, people are helpful. So it's
Yes,
easy settling down. That's what.
yes. I think I agree with you because whatever you mentioned, it's like same.
Yeah.
I experienced the same thing. So yeah,
Yeah.
but
Oh,
yeah, it's
wait,
pretty
you've
nice
been to
place.
Bangalore before.
Yes, I went there for my work purpose, but I lived for a couple of months only. And yeah, I
Oh,
found it
I
the
see. I
same
see.
thing, like about the traffic. So it is really, I can't bear it for so
It
long.
is awful. Yeah, it is awful. Like a 10
Yeah,
minutes place, it just takes 30 minutes,
yes,
it's a lot.
absolutely.
Yeah. And especially
But
airport days. It's awful. Like you have to plane to catch and then you have to leave so early, so early. It's really awful. It's what
yes, yes.
you were saying something.
Yes, I mentioned the same thing that
Mm.
the traffic is really bad about those things I really hate. And other than that, everything is so fine. And also that like I'm working in IT, so there are many IT companies out there. It's like IT hub there.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah.
yeah. So for people who are working professional, for them it is good opportunities there, and there are many more opportunities to work there.
Definitely, yeah. I mean, that's the main reason I moved to Bangalore. I want to take like a degree related to like business and all. So I was like, I want to study analytics and all. So I came to Bangalore because of that. That's the sole reason. And then just worked out somehow.
Okay.
And what else do you want to talk about? What else can we talk about? Your hobbies, you mentioned you like traveling and all.
Yes.
So do you travel a lot? I mean, I guess you don't really have that much time to travel, no?
No, I haven't traveled a lot, I can say, but I love traveling whenever I get free time or maybe I have any plan. But these days it's really hard to, make plan. As I mentioned earlier, that with friends especially, it is very hard because
Definitely.
when you are free, so maybe other person is not free at that time. So it's very hard
Exactly.
to make a plan. But and I'm not a kind of person who are a solo traveler, so definitely.
Mm-hmm. I
Uh,
I
and
also like I go somewhere I can't really enjoy it to the fullest if I'm the only person there. Like I need other people to experience that with me as well. It is hard like going alone and stuff. And it's like the anxiety in me as well. I don't think I'll be able to ever, go alone anywhere. So yeah.
Same here. So I think the same. But when I see other people like they are traveling solo and they are enjoying and they are posting photos that yes, I traveled like this alone. So
Hmm.
that time I feel, oh my God, how confident they are and how they are enjoying their life. Oh
Right?
my God.
I mean, at first I thought it's just like a skill issue, but later I just thought maybe it's just the extroverted population being more comfortable in doing that than the introverted population. I mean, I'm an ambivert. I can really morph into situations depending on the situation itself. But people who are like extreme introverts or like maybe need some really like a lot of time to open up, I think those people will find it really hard to like getting used to like a whole new area, a whole new group of people, making friends, also asking for help. It's like it's really difficult for introverts, right? And
Yeah.
so that might be like a huge thing. So yeah. Also, you mentioned dancing, I think. Do you
Mm.
dance?
Not really. I'm not that pro in dance, but I love doing it when I
Ah, doesn't
like
matter if
when
you love it,
yes.
right? So,
Like
continue.
it's like in home or like any kind of events or ceremony. So that is it's like what we call these kind of dance, freestyle dance, something. So like
Yeah, 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 yeah.
not any specific.
Oh, so like Western styles and like Indian. Do you do any contemporary dance or like it's mostly Western freestyling?
It's mostly freestyle and not like I'm not participating in any kind of like
Hmm.
dance or these kind of activities. But when we have any marriage ceremony or birthday events or these kind of,
Hmm.
so I love doing it.
You pull up your guns. You're like, it's my time. I'm gonna show you all how
Yeah.
much I've
But I
practiced.
don't know dancing.
Yeah, I
But
mean, as long as you're
this
confident, you have fun. You dance. You sh let
yes,
other
I
people
do
know,
it
see,
for
I've
fun.
practiced.
Yes.
Yeah,
I
it's
just
fun.
do it for fun only, not other than that. But I feel like if I'll get the chance to learn something or learn dancing, so I would love doing it because I have
Right?
interest in this. So
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you should. If you really want to, I think you could like get classes. I mean, it is going to be a bit time consuming, but if you do have time, you can like take dancing classes and all. That'll be really fun for you. And it'll be
yeah,
refreshing as well, to be fair. A lot of people find it really refreshing. Um, yeah, I mean, that is a pretty good exercise as well, now that I think about it. But mm also, I wanted to ask about your English. So you said your channel is about people learning English, or you teaching them English, or are you learning with your audience?
I'm learning with the audience. I can say like I'm learning and with learning I'm teaching others. It's like that.
Okay, how long have you had the channel for? Or like how long have you been learning with your audience?
It's been 3 years, but yeah, I tried multiple things in the beginning, but it didn't work that well.
I
But
see,
yeah,
I
these
see.
days it is going smoothly. Not too well, but it is going smoothly. So it's not only about that I'm gaining some benefit from YouTube as of now, but it's like I'm improving myself day by day, and
Right,
I can literally see the differences. Like I have gained some confidence. Now I can talk, and in my initial days, I can't even believe that I was not able to talk properly, no eye contact, something like that. But now I have gained this confidence in this tenor, I can say, in 3 years.
right. I mean, yeah, you seem really confident and you just seem comfortable more than confident. You've like seem comfortable speaking in English, which is like a huge quality to have with like a completely different language. Us Indians, we don't really grow up with English that much. So
Mhm.
once we get to know the language and we start becoming comfortable, it's like an achievement in itself. So if you can think, like if you can speak the language without thinking first, I think that's like a huge thing for you. And yeah, I mean, my English also, I mean, talking about myself, I don't think I really was that strong in English because I didn't really have a base in English per se. I started getting into English from like grade 8, I think. I started watching a lot of content related to English. Not like intentionally. I mean, it became intentional once I started to realize that I was actually improving. Before that, I just found some in like American slash Canadian channels like really funny, and I watched their content with the subtitles and all. And then later I figured out I don't need subtitles anymore. Like I was already getting used to the stuff, and those were comedy videos, right? So I could like literally rewatch them every now and then. So I started watching them. I started finding them fun. I started doing research on that, not like the research, but like normal searches and all. And so I got interested, and then I just got really into the language because I saw myself improving. I saw my
Mhm.
friends, asking for like English, like subject itself. No, so there was like a literature part and a language part. Even if I didn't cope up with the literature part, I could really like do well without studying in the language part. So that really helped me. Without even like bookish knowledge, I could like literally bulldoze through the exams. So I think that really stuck with me. Even now, I mostly watch Hindi and English, mostly English content, but it
Mhm.
just seems natural to me now. So it's really nice. I'm grateful. I mean, during the lockdown period, really, I think it really helped me improve stuff. That's what.
Okay. And for me, it's like I did my schooling from Hindi medium till 12th. And after that, I did engineering. So here also, like, there was no spoken environment. Like, we had subjects. So I got the idea of like writing the exam and all.
Mm.
But yeah, in the initial days, there also I struggled a lot while writing exam or even when lecturer were giving lecture and all. So I was not able to write even the sentences properly. Most of the sentences or new words. So yeah, but somehow I was able to manage that for 4 years. And after that, when I get into my job, like I was giving interviews, that time only I got rejected in multiple interviews just because of communication. Then I
Oh,
realized, oh my God, I should work on these things also. It is also a part of our part of our corporate job and all.
definitely,
So
yeah.
yeah, but that time I had limited time to learn. So I
Mm.
learned survival English, I can say, like how I
Mm.
have to give interviews. And then only I came in corporate sector in MNC companies. So here only I faced a lot of challenges I can't even imagine now, because I had to deal with foreigner people and foreign clients.
Wow, that's
So,
horrifying.
so yeah,
Not being comfortable in English and dealing with foreign people, that's insane. That is a lot of work. Holy shit. Yeah.
yeah, and I was not confident enough also, like how to deal with those people. They are speaking so fast and so well. So
And the
then
accents
only
as well. No, yeah,
uh,
it's really difficult. Yeah.
yes. So then only I thought like, oh my God, I should work something. I should do something to improve myself. Then only I can survive here. And now it's
Mhm.
been 6 years in the corporate sector. So I have learned a lot. They still somewhere I lack when they speak so fast. Their accent is totally different. And not only the
Right.
particular country they are, like it's like global people.
Right,
So
right, right.
everyone's accent is totally different.
Yeah,
So
definitely. Also depends on the region, not even the country.
reason.
So many different regions in one single country. It is difficult to cope up with. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
did you
So
have to do like accent studying and stuff as well?
no, no, I never did it.
So when you became fluent in English, you automatically were able to grasp what these people were saying.
Yes, yes. Just while
Okay.
listening only to those people, I got some of the ideas how they are speaking. But still, as I mentioned, that somewhere I struggle just because they speak very fast most of the time. And the one more thing, they use phrasal verb a lot, which I'm not aware of most of the time.
Right,
So
right, right.
that is the barrier I can say. Still, I'm facing this issue.
Mhm. I see, I see. Yeah. I mean, you are overcoming it. It's really nice to see you be so comfortable in the language. So, yeah, it's really lovely meeting you. I think we should
Yeah,
really connect some other time as well. I hope you get some rest. You said you just came back from work. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, I hope you get some rest. I think I'll just also get some shut eye now. And so,
yeah, sure.
yeah, see you again. Yeah, have a nice
Yeah,
day.
thank you.
Okay,
Bye
lovely
bye.
meeting you. Bye bye.
Yes, likewise. Bye.
Yeah.